Greetings to you and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can invest in mutual fund as a beginner. So the first thing you need to do is to sign up to that particular stockbroker that you want to use. And the one I'll be using in this content to explain to you is the Afri Invest. That is the stockbroker, and they usually use the Optimus. That is the platform they used in investing. So I will take you through all those processes in this content. So if you are new here on this channel, you get valuable content on how you can use your finance to be of positive impact to your life. I have made it easier for you. So if you check my pinned comment or my comment section, you are going to see the link there. That link will direct you to the sign up page where you are going to get started. So this is the sign up page. You will need to get an active email and your active phone number and a password to sign up. So having done that, you can also see the referral code, and this is my own referral code, so you can input this my referral code there. If you use this referral code, both of us are going to get a gift from the stockbroker, that is the Afri Invest. So after the sign up, you are going to carry out the registration process, which I'm going to put you through on this content. Now after that, you are going to fund your wallet and you start investing immediately. One interesting thing about this mutual fund is that you can use as little as 1,000 naira to start investing. So no one is left out. Even if you are a student, from your stipend you can make your investment. Those recharge card money that you have, you can invest it, and you will be surprised the amount of money that it will accrue over a period of time. So let's start first by knowing what mutual fund is. Mutual fund is a pool of investment from various investors that is being managed by professionals. And more importantly, it is licensed and regulated by the Security Exchange Commission. So when you look at the screen, these are the requirements. These are the documents you will need to provide. The first one there is to verify your BVN. So you will need to input your BVN for it to be verified. The second one is to verify your identity. Your picture will be taken. You can use your phone to take a picture. It's just for them to be sure that they are not dealing with a robot. The next one on the line is identity documents. So you are going to provide a means of identification, either your national ID card, your driver's license, international passport, voter's card, any means of identification that you have, a national one. You are going to provide the number that is on the card, and you are also going to screenshot it or you snap it and send it. The next on the list is the income profile. Here you will be asked your occupation and also your source of income. Then the next one is your next of kin. You provide the information of your next of kin, and then you proceed to the next one. You are going to add your bank account. This is to enable you make deposit and also to make withdrawal from this platform. Having done all this, the next thing is to fund your wallet. If at this point you are getting value from this content, please go ahead and like this video and also to subscribe so that you can get more of this valuable content. Thank you for your time. For you to fund your account, then you need to get your account number. So, and this is the account number here. The moment you log in, you will now go to this particular page. You see where that rectangle is, that black rectangle, just below the screen there. That blue image, you are going to click on it, and that is the moment you click on it, it will bring you to this page. So this is the page where you will now see your account number. You can see one up there, my account number. Just those number below there, that is the number, that will be your account number, where you will pay in the amount that you want to use to fund your wallet. You can pay in any amount of money, but when you are investing, you only take out the amount of money that you want to invest. So after you have funded your wallet, you need to come back to the platform to confirm if that account has been funded. So what you are going to do is, the moment you log in, you will now come and click on wallet. Just close to that image I showed you earlier on, where you will get your account number. Just close to it, there's wallet there. You click on wallet, and the moment you click on wallet, it will now show you the amount that you transferred to this account, right? So that is where you will now see the amount of money which you have transferred. You will confirm to be sure that the money has been transferred successfully. So we are still on the wallet page. You can see where you see save and invest. You can see it there. So you will now click on invest, and under it you see mutual funds. You will click on that mutual funds where that black rectangle is. When you now click on it, the list of mutual funds will now appear. So that is the next thing we are going to do now. So these are the list of the mutual funds. Now the first one there is 577 naira 90 kobo. That is for a unit. Now the next one is 100 naira per unit. The third one is 376 naira 52 kobo per unit. So the amount of money you decide to invest will determine the number of units that you can buy. So whichever one you decide to buy, you will go ahead and click on it, and then you go ahead and type in the amount of money that you want to use in investing. And the interesting thing is that you can invest as little as 1,000 naira. So this is where you will type in the amount of money you want to invest into the mutual fund. Like in this case, it is 1,000 naira. So you can decide to invest any amount of money of your choice. So after you finish, you will now click on continue. So after making the payment, this message will pop up: request submitted. You have successfully submitted a request to buy mutual funds. Your request will be processed within 24 to 48 working hours. So after the 48 hours, go back to that invest platform that I showed you earlier. You will see the amounts that you have gained. That is the interest or the dividends that you have accrued within the period of time. The dividend will be paid to you quarterly, but you will see the progress of the dividends, how your dividend is growing daily. You will see it on the investment platform there. So let me know on the comment section if you have any question. If you need more clarity, let me know on the comment section. And do well to share this content to other people that it may be of help to. Do not forget to give it a like and also to subscribe to the channel for more valuable content. I hope to see you in my next video, and do have a lovely day.